everybody, and welcome to my video today, you guys. There is so much happening here, and I want to dive in and chat with you guys about all of it. So it's May 1st, and that means that we are getting closer to the launch of the brand new catalog, and we have some items from the new catalog that are being released early. So, and we also have a brand new host code that is starting today. So I will put that in the information box below for YouTube, or if you're on my website, you will see that. So let's just dive in and talk about all of this really fun stuff and the new host code and all of that. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys, I got to move a few things around here, and we're going to zoom in and take a look at this. The very first thing I want to share with you guys is my customer appreciation giveaway for this next month for all of May. And it is a exclusive class from me. This is the first time I'm doing this, you guys. So instead of putting these cards together here on the video, what I'm going to do is offer it in a class. And so that will be exclusive for you guys. The videos will be exclusive. We're going to make 2 cards. We're going to make this one, and this is all with brand new product. So you will get all of the items to make the card except the stamp set, and I'll show you guys how you can get that in just a minute. But you'll get all of the pieces to make the cards. There are 2 exclusive cards. So when you place a $50 order or more with me, you get the exclusive class, and you'll get to make these 2 cards. And then with the $50 order, you're also going to get a set of Stampin' UP dimensionals. Everybody always needs adhesive. It's always fun to get adhesive. I hate purchasing adhesive personally. I feel like there's other things I would rather purchase. So I thought this month would be a great month to do an adhesive giveaway. So we'll have the dimensionals, and that is when you place a $50 order. You will get this, the exclusive videos, and then the dimensionals and all the pieces to make this. So then there's a little bit of a fun gift that I have. If your order is $100 or more, you will also get this, and I'm going to make this for you guys. So it will come exactly like this. It may, instead of having a brad through here, it may have ribbon at the top, and it may flip up. Depends on what is the easiest way to put it together, but either way, it'll look like this. You'll have the front of it that says love what you do, and this year we have a total color revamp, which means our color families are changing. We have brand new colors to offer, and this is a really handy little tool that has all of our colors and in our color families. So I will make this for you and send it to you. If your order is $100 or more, you will get the card kit, the adhesive, and then this little gift. So the really fun thing is that this month, Stampin' UP is offering some brand new product out of the catalog, and this is from the Share What You Love product suite. And you can see here some really beautiful cards made with this. So these are items that you can all purchase right now. So let me share with you the different bundles. The first bundle we have is the Just Getting Started bundle. And the really great thing is Stampin' UP is offering a ton of different free items. So each one of these bundles is going to have some items that are free for you, and that is always fun. So the very first bundle right here is the Getting Started bundle. You get the Love What You Do stamp set, which has this image in it. It's the one I'm using to make the cover of our color swatches right there. And then it also has the sentiments right here that you will need to make your card. So you can use any sentiment that you want for this card. And then you just, if you don't get the stamp set, these images are in that stamp set. So if you get the this Getting Started bundle, you will get that stamp set, and then you will be able to make the cards just fine. So this bundle is $57. You get the stamp set, you get the very vanilla cardstock, you get the brand new Grapefruit Groove stamp pad, which is an in color. It looks like this, and this is also in the new design of our ink pads. You get the old olive ink pad, and then you get a clear block, which will work perfect with your stamp set. And then for free, you get a set of note cards and envelopes in that very vanilla. So that's amazing. So if you get this bundle, you will get all of these items. You'll get the free note cards, and then you will also get the exclusive class and the dimensionals. So that's with that first bundle. The second bundle is the, it has 2 more free items, and it's a little more bundle. So you will get the Love What You Do stamp set, so you'll be able to create the cards. You will get another stamp set, which is the Making a Difference stamp set. Very vanilla cardstock. You'll get a cardstock pack that has these colors and one of the new Grapefruit Groove colors. You will get pearlized doilies, the ink pad for Grapefruit Groove. You will get rich razzleberry velvet ribbon. You will get the Share What You Love pearls. And then for free, what you're going to get is very vanilla envelopes. And then also this beautiful, beautiful Share What You Love embellishment kit. And then with that, you will also get the class on the go. And if that's the only thing you order, I will definitely still throw this in. So if you're just wanting to get this bundle, it is only $91.50, but I will still throw this in because I feel like that is a really great bundle to get. You'll get those stamp sets, and then you will get all the items that I'm offering. The very last bundle is the Gotta Have It All bundle, and so you get everything that I just said, and then you get the floral texture embossing folder. I'm going to be doing a Facebook Live with this embossing folder this Friday, and then you get the Statement of the Heart stamp set, which this is a really fun stamp set to have. And then you also get the very vanilla envelopes for free and the Share What You Love embellishing kit. The other item that you can begin purchasing this month is the in colors, and you can save 10% when you get this in color collection. So you will notice if you get any of the bundles, you will get the Grapefruit Groove ink pad, and then that is also in the in color bundle. So just coordinate with a friend, and you can trade come June, or you can exchange it. Stampin' Up! Will exchange it for you. So if you end up with 2 of the stamp sets, no worries, you can exchange it. I will totally help you do that. So those are the 3 major bundles that you can get, and then the 4th is the in colors. These in colors are gorgeous, and I love them in our new stamp pads. I will have a video out later this week or maybe next week talking about the brand new ink pads and what to do with them and how they're different. But I love these colors. These are the new colors. And my favorite to say is the Pineapple Punch. My favorite color of all of these is probably the Lovely Lipstick. For my birthday, I got a Kate Spade purse, and it's almost this color. So that's fun, right? So those are the bundles that we have. And then when you are part of my class, the exclusive class, when you order $50 or more, you can order any product you want. If you don't want the product in the Share What You Love, you can order any product, and as long as your order is $50 or more, you get the exclusive class and the dimensionals. And then when your order is $100, you will get this little gift that I'm making for everybody. So you'll have all of that as part of, when you are part of the exclusive class, you will have access to this. And this is something that's really fun. These are our color, all of our colors, and then they have these great color families. So let me show you what I've done with this. These, you cut them out, and they're 3x4, and then I have put together this beautiful, it's a little mini album, and it has all of our colors in it. And then it has the cardstock, and this just has all of our information for our cardstock and our blend markers and our cardstock, and you can see that I've put that together. I don't have some of the cardstocks because they're brand new. Granny Apple Green is one of our brand new colors. And then, so I've put this together with all of our color families, and this is just a great way to see colors that go together and that will work together. So as part of the exclusive class, you will have access to printing this. And then the other thing that I've done is I have taken and I have made a color coach. So you can see here, it's all laminated. This is the front cover of the catalog. I just printed it out and I made it smaller. So this is what the new catalog will look like. And how cute is that, you guys? I simply love how cute this is. And then each color combo has a piece of that cardstock right on the back. And I plan on putting this on rings, but it looks so pretty, I'm scared to punch the holes in it, you guys. Isn't that funny? So I just cut the cardstock at 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. And then when I printed out my color combo squares, I cut those down and they're 3 by 4. So then on the back you have the cardstock and you have a nice border of color right around the color combo card. And then I've laminated it. And so each one has that done. And there's a couple in here, again, like I don't have this color yet, right? So it's not ready to go. And then a couple of them still need to be laminated. I found some Coastal Cabana cardstock in my stash yesterday, and I was so excited. So I cut that and put that together, and I love Coastal Cabana. I'm so glad that Coastal Cabana has come back. So you can see that I've just put this together, and that way I have all of my colors, and I know what is what and what colors go with what, and it'll help me when I am creating. So I hope that you guys are so excited about our color revamp and that you're excited about this exclusive class that I'm offering. Right when you place your order, you get access to where the class will be, which will be easy for you guys. And then all of your items will be shipped to create the cards mid-month. So I have to have some time to get all of this together and put it together. And I hope that you guys will enjoy this. I love this suite of product, and I'm glad that we are able to offer it early. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. The new host code is listed below, along with all of the supplies that I used that you actually have access to purchase this month. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys later this week. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.